Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a waterfall bracelet. This is my first time doing a video, so yeah. This is what an example of a waterfall looks like. It's okay if you have rubber bands like that sticking out, but it's okay. Okay, so you're going to grab your crazy loom or rainbow loom, doesn't matter. I'm going to use a hook, but we're not going to use it yet. Okay, I'm going to use rainbow colors. If you see. Okay.
No freaking see. See.
Okay, we're going to grab your first rubber band. I'm going to put it on the first hook, and you're going to go like that. And you're going to go onto your next hook. Next peg, going to go like that. Make sure you want to push them down like that. I'm going to keep going grabbing them. I'm doing rainbow colors, but you can do any kind of colors you want. As you can see, it's turning out really well. Well, if yours doesn't turn out really well, then you can always start over. And if you don't get this video, then you can always go to new videos. Anything you want. See how I'm almost done? You're going to keep on going. Sorry guys, hold on. Okay, so this is what it should look like when you're done. Sorry guys, gotta focus. Okay. Now you're gonna go on to your middle peg. Right here. And you're gonna go all the way down until you're finished. And you're going to do the same thing that you did to the side pegs. Sorry guys if I'm going really slow. It's my first time doing a video and I usually don't go that slow. But, yeah. If you're beginners, you should start off with a single, then go to the double, then go to a waterfall. Because that's kind of easy too. Almost halfway. Well, I'm halfway, but... And you only put one rubber band. Should look like this when you're done with the middle. Okay, now you're going to go on to these pegs. Sorry if you can't see it well, guys, but I'm doing this video by myself. And you're going to push down like I said. You can use a hook if it's easier for you. Sorry if I'm using mostly red and pink and yellow, but I'm kind of running out on the rest of those colors. And as you see, I'm almost done. Okay. So now that you're finished, it should look like this. Okay. Now you're going to grab your next rubber band, and you're going to push down. You're going to skip. Okay, so you're going to skip these, and you're going to go onto these three so that you have room. You're going to go onto these three, and you're going to grab a rubber band, and, oops, sorry, and you're going to make a triangle. You're going to want to push them down. And you're going to skip these next three. I'm going to go to the next three. I'm going to make a triangle again. And you're going to skip the next three, and you're going to want to go on to the next three. Sorry guys if I'm going really fast. It's just I have soccer practice in like 10 minutes. My phone's dying too. And you're going to keep skipping one and then going to the next one. So you're going to skip these three, and you're going to go on to these three. And you're going to skip these three, go on to these three. And you're going to keep doing that until it looks like, hold on. Like that. Okay, now we're going to start hooking. Grab your hook, okay? And you're going to turn your loom around, and you're going to start hooking from right here. The middle's really easy. So you're just going to grab this rubber band right here, and you're going to pull it over, going to go over here and pull it over to this next peg, like this. I'm going to do that with the other ones right here. So you're going to go under, and you're going to pull over to the next one. You're going to go under, I'm going to pull over to the next one. Under, pull over, under, pull over. I'm going to keep doing that with all three lines. You're going to go over those triangle lines.
Can you shoot this put a blanket on me because I don't have no blanket on?
Okay, now it should look like that. Okay, you're going to go onto another line and do the same thing. Going to go under, grab that next band. Under, grab the next band. Under. The middle's really easy. Grab the next band. Under, 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 grab the next band. When you're done, it should look like that. Now you need this other line. So you're going to go under, grab the next band. Under, grab the next band. Under, 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 and when you're done, that's how it should look like. Okay, you're going to flip your loom again, and you see these three, where you're going to grab that one, put on that one, grab that one, put on that one, like this. Oops, sorry. Really sorry. Okay. So like this, you're going to grab it. Wait, first you're going to have to push it down right there. So you're going to grab it. You're going to grab it from right here. You're going to put it on the next one. On the middle one, like that. I'm going to grab it right here. Sorry if my fingers are in the way, just hold on. And you're going to put it on the next one. It's okay if they're going to come. It's okay if they come off because you're just going to take it off anyway. And you're going to grab your next band, and you're going to put your hook through, and you're going to pull. Oops. And you're going to pull that band. I'm having a hard time. You're going to pull that band in there, and you're going to make a knot. You're going to put in your fingers, and you're going to put it over, and you're going to grab the top band right there, and you're going to make a knot, okay? And then you're just going to start pulling off. So it should look like that, with the little band sticking off. You're going to start pulling off. Sorry if it looks really complicated, but you'll get it. Okay, so you're going to start pulling off. Don't pull it off too hard. Just pull it off easy, so you don't want to break your bands. Okay. Whoops. Okay. So it should now look like a regular waterfall bracelet. Oops, not that. Sorry. I had my camera backwards, like that. Okay, and then you're going to grab a C or an S or an O clip, whatever one you want. I'm going to grab a C clip. C clip. Okay, and I'm going to hook it to the end. Sorry, you couldn't see that. Hook it to the end, right there. I'm just going to hook it to the other side. And you can add more bands if you want, but this will fit my wrist, because my wrist is really tiny. This is what it should look like when you're finished. It's okay if these little bands are sticking out. See, it fits my wrist just perfect. And that's what a waterfall bracelet should look like. Hope you guys enjoyed. You can restart my video if you want. Bye.